Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome to today. Yes, it's weekend. It's Saturday. Yes, Saturday, October the 8th, 2022. We have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. And then we have a 2 tectonics. One with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block. In Japanese, sugu. And the last one is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will do today on Saturday. And tomorrow the rest of the puzzles. And maybe if I have some spare time tomorrow on Sunday, I will do the Samurai Sudoku, aka quintuplet. But first, let me start with the 3 stars Sudoku, and this will be number 5297. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve this of the puzzle. Yes. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Here or there. We see another 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. Alright. Then the 1 in the first the 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then the 2 in this row, the 2 in the last row, so the row between, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And look, we have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of them, the 4 in this column, the 4 in the column next, so last column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 3 in this last row. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 6, it goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row. The last row. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. And look, we have a 1 in the first column. So no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 6 in the first column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So we have a 6 in this first column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 3 missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 4, 5, 7. 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7. And look, we have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. Here, 7 in this middle row, so no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. So the 4 and the 5 are left. The 4 and 5. Okay, need to remind this. Then the 7 in this row, the 7 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Oh, there we see a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in that column, so the column between, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Oh, there we see a 7 in the second row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in first row, 7 in second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there, we see a 7 in the first column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. Alright. Okay. And now, let me see which number can I pick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this first row, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. We have a 6 in the middle column, so no 6 in those 3 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here. Or there, we see a 6 in the middle row. No 6 there, 6 should be there. Alright. Okay. And now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9 in this big square. We have a 9 in the last column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here we have a 9 in the second row, so no 9 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column between, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Or there, we see a 9 in this row. No 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Or there, we see a 9 in the first column. No 9 there, 9 should be there. And, oh, no. The 9 in this first row, the 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Or there, we see a 9 in this column. No 9 there, 9 should be there. Now I can count. And all the 9s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 9. Okay. Alright. Then. Let me see. And now. How about? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. We got one number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2 in this big square. We have a 2 in this last column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And now we have a pair, the 1 and the 2 in this first column, the 1 and the 2 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So 2 numbers left now in the second column. 4 numbers, the 1 and 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 box left in this big square. 4 the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. Alright, 8. Then missing the 3. Okay, 9, 7, 6. The 2 should be there. Okay, one of the missing number in this row is the number 2. Yeah. Well, let me look for the other numbers. We have here the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. And look, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. Here 2 in the last column, so no 2 there. So the only place left for 2 should be there. So the 3 and the 5 are left. 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5. Okay. Need to wait. But I've already marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. So 1 digit left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Then that means 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here 5 in this column, so no 5 in that box. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in this row, 5 in one of those 2 boxes. In the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 5 should be there. I believe these 2 boxes in the third column are the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5, we have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4 then, alright. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, yeah, the 3 is missing. Then 4. I'm thinking. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. So we have a 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. So the 3 goes together with the 5 as a pair. We have a pair now. Alright. Okay. 2, 3, 4, and 8. Alright. Let me think. 1, 8, 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 1, 6, 8. 1, 6, 8, 1, 6, 8, 1, 6, 8. And look, we have 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and 6. We have a 6 in the middle row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 1 and the 2. We have a 1 in the middle row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1 number left in this column for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. Okay, so this 2 we already have. So we have an 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the middle column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see this is number 3, number 8. How about the 2? And all the 2s are used. I can see this is number 4, number 2. Okay. Then. Let me see. One box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5. Well, we have a 4 here in the last column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 5 goes there. One box left in this big square for number 5. We have a 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 3 goes there. One box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there, finish in 16 minutes. Wow. 3 stars. No, let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, so it's not a 1-star puzzle. But I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 3 puzzles of today. Until then, bye-bye for now.